Wow, in 1 month! This YouTube channel has collected 43 million views, with phenomenal achievements of 1 million, 4 million, and 2 million views every day. Prepare yourself to dive into the story behind this million views that changed everything. This fantastic channel is called Fenitas. Here, you will find new videos with thousands or even tens of thousands of views just moments after being uploaded. Not only that, popular categories on this channel reached peak popularity with figures such as 147 million and 131 million views, with average views reaching hundreds of millions. This guy really focuses on the YouTube short video type, where each video shows an interesting smoothie mixing process, accompanied by stunning satisfying elements. Come on, let's just look at one of isn't it? Even the concept is very simple. Next, let's try to calculate how much income, with 146 million views and an estimated RPM of 0.02, then 43,146 by 0.02 equals $862.92. So now let's try with estimated RPM value is 6 cents, so 146 x 0.06 equals to $1,588.76 per month. Wow, what a fantastic number for a simple video. It's time for us to take inspiration from this Fenitas channel. Remember, greatness often lies in simplicity, and we all have the potential to transform the ordinary things in our lives into something extraordinary. So, let's together make our every step a journey towards glorious achievement. Don't forget to subscribe to the Fenitas channel and my channel, so we can continue to get inspiration and learn more about the art of making something simple very special. See you in the next video.